page. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make your baby's food all by yourself. If you're like me and you don't particularly trust what goes on in the factories, the little food that they put into those little jars, then there's no need to buy them. In fact, you can make your child's food all by yourself. This is especially for busy mums who don't have a lot of time in their day or in the week. So I'll be making Ruby's food for the next 2 weeks coming up. So the point of this baby food is food that will be easily mashed with a fork. Instead of having to get a baby food processor, you should be able to just mash it with a fork. In today's combination, I'm going to be chopping up broccoli really small, as well as some cauliflower, and then I'm going to grate in some carrot as well for some color. And how I'm going to cook that is I'm going to steam it instead of putting it in the oven. When you boil veggies, it actually cooks out all the nutrients. With baby, you don't want that, so I'm going to steam it instead. So that's super simple, and right now we're going to get to it. So I'm going to take that stem right off, and then I'm just going to chop it up super finely. And because it's so fine, it's going to cook super quickly as well. And now I'm going to follow the same process with my cauliflower. And once it's all chopped, grab your carrot and grate. Now add to the rest of your veggies and mix it all through. And to steam, you're going to place your colander over a boiling pot of water and cover with the lid. So baby's veggies have finished steaming, they have had time to cool down, and I've just finished packaging them before I put them in the freezer, and this is what they look like. It's nice and small, so easy to mash when they come out of the freezer, and in wee little containers. And there you have it, that is Ruby's veggies for the next 2 weeks, and I feel just a lot better knowing that it came from Mama's hands herself, and that was super easy, super fast to make. All I did was chop up my veggies, chuck it in a colander to steam, let it cool down, and package. 2 weeks worth of baby food. Easy as that, and super easy to mash with a fork. I really hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I really do hope you found that super useful. Stay tuned for some more hacks and tricks to living a healthy lifestyle. Until next time.